Hey guys, welcome back. This is Lena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So today's video is going to be a little different. I don't do a lot of contouring, you guys know, because I think, I have a little bit of natural like this cheekbone, so I don't need it that much. But today I'm going to show you how to do your contouring, the latest version. I could tell you this is like an updated contouring technique which I'm going to show you today. So let's start. Contouring, of course, you will need a contouring stick. I like to use this one. This is by K Beauty by Katrina, and so I don't like to use something which is like really dark. I like to use something which is like 2 to 3 shades darker than my skin tone. So this is what I use. As you can see, it's not very dark because I feel like it takes a lot of time to blend, and that's why I use something which is not too dark. So this is good enough for me personally, and the shade is called Beige Focus. Okay, so now let's start. I'll tell you the do's and don'ts. Okay, so I'll tell you first thing that earlier we used to do is just draw a straight line like this. That's what we used to do earlier. But now what I've learned is you draw a line from here and you take it upwards. Okay, this is something. So then you get that perfect cheekbone effect, and I will also show you how to blend this. Okay, and earlier what we used to do is just draw a line like this here to contour a forehead. Ab kya karna hai? You need to draw dots, so it makes it really easy. Dot, dot, dot. Can you all see this? Okay, now we're going to blend this. So this is my brush that I use to blend. It's by The Mask, and the number is MBM21. Okay, so earlier what we used to do is blend it downwards. Just blend it downwards. So that makes your face really, saggy and down. Okay. Now we're not going to do that. Everything is going to be up. Okay, you blend upwards. Alright, so ye dekha apne. This is how I blend it. This side, we're going to take everything upwards. So, up. You need that chiseled face and that lift, So blend this upwards. See the difference? This is more like you have cheekbones and like that. This is just a straight line. It doesn't give you a lot of volume. Okay, makes your face very flat. Now this, we used to blend it like this. No, we're not going to do that. Blend it upwards. Moving on to my nose, just draw a very thin line like so. This is what I like to do. A little here. I know I look funny, but we're just gonna blend it and it'll look good. So I like to use a small brush to blend. Once that's done, I'm just going to highlight my face, and the highlighter I'll be using today is by Makeup Revolution, and this is the blush and highlighter duo. So I'm just going to take a little bit of highlighter, dust off the excess, and everything has to go upwards. Highlight over upwards. Take it a little up so it looks nice and lifted. as I told you. Nose, very little, just the bridge and the tip.